is Zeke, and this is my brother Zachary. My brother Zachary has always feared his whole life. When the affected started showing, that's when it made it worse. Now I would tell my story of how all this happened, how the infected started. Me and Zachary were raised in an orphanage. There were times that the other kids would bully Zachary because he always feared. But one day, me and Zachary met this girl named Nora, and she changed our lives. Nora was the only nice girl to us in the whole orphanage. She was kind until I was talking to my brother, telling him he needs to toughen up. Then we heard this scream, this awful scream. So me and my brother ran to the noise. When me and Zachary arrived, Nora was eating someone. That's when Zachary called out to Nora. Nora. Nora, what's happening? Nora started coming after us, so I grabbed Zachary. Then more and more started coming. Then me and Zachary hit a dead end. We thought we were dead for good. Then we heard gunshots. And that's when we met. Arvi. Are you boys okay? You killed Nora! She was infected, sweetie. Infected? What does that mean? It means that Nora was no longer alive, sweetie. So, if Nora is no longer alive, how was she chasing us? I'm not too sure about that, sweetie, but I just know they eat people. So when you get infected, you're no longer alive. It's more like you don't have your human thoughts anymore. So you're a walking corpse. Basically, sweetie, Ivy has become a mother figure to me and Zachary. We owe her a lot. We owe her our lives for protecting us that day. And that's how our story began.